So have you ever tried to sample something in Maschine and this happened? We're going to talk about how to fix that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to cut this no sound right here. See right here? For just a half a second, there was no sound. You want to cut that out. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over to sampling. And it should be already being truncate. You're going to have 8 knobs. You're going to choose the first knob that's right below the second screen and turn this to the right to zoom in. The reason why we want to zoom in because we want to be very precise with our cuts. After you zoomed in enough, you're going to go over to the left set of knobs, choose the first one under the first window, and you are going to turn this to the right. Now this could be a little tricky because you don't want to cut off too much because you want to make this still on beat. So I would say to probably about this knob right here should do. It's not gonna work the same for every single sample. So let's try this for this. And look, I think we got it on our first try. So let's look. Okay, it's workable, but the way I want to really test it is I want to go over to the next 4 bars over to really test it. All right, so that's working good. Let's try the 9th bar. I'm not gonna give you guys any fluff. This is really just a short tutorial on how to get rid of the dead space in your samples so you can make some of the best samples, especially known with the old school funk samples. They are well known for the dead space in the beginning, and this is how you can cut that off so you can still make the best beats out of those samples. You want to check out more of my content? I have a playlist right here on the right. I have everything from drum tutorials, sampling tutorials, beat making tutorials, keyboard shortcut tutorials. Go ahead, check it out. It's going to help you for those of you who are really trying to get into Maschine. Check you in the next one.